Yes, hello friends. Yes, today our point is to get some know-how about the alkyl group. Okay. Now, what is alkyl group? उसमें कौन से एलिमेंट्स होंगे, उसमें किस टाइप के बॉन्ड होंगे, विच सिंबल इज यूज फॉर द alkyl ग्रुप. तो ये आज हम सीख ले, क्योंकि पूरे 12th में ये पीछा नहीं छोड़ने वाला है. तो alkyl group, otherwise you can say alkyl group, both are same. When we remove one hydrogen from the non-cyclic alkane compound, at that time, yes, alkyl group is formed. Yes, we should have to study about the alkyl group having only 4 carbon. Methane, ethane, प्रोपेन एंड ब्यूटेन. 4 कार्बन तक हमें सीखना है, 4 से ज्यादा नहीं. हम 4 तक भी नहीं कर पाते हैं. प्रॉब्लम यही है. यस, अल्केन हैविंग 1 कार्बन इज मीथेन. व्हेन वी रिमूव एनी 1 हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम मीथेन वी विल गेट, यस, मीथेन 1 हाइड्रोजन रिमूव रिड्यूस होगा तो मिथाइल. ये ओपन वैलेंसी है. ये हाइड्रोजन रिमूव कर दिया, कार्बन कैन फॉर्म 4 बॉन्ड्स. ये ओपन वैलेंसी है, कार्बन किसी के साथ जुड़ सकते हैं. C2H6, आफ्टर रिमूवल ऑफ 1 हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम इथेन वी विल गेट C2H5. ओपन वैलेंसी C2H5 known as ethyl. Alkane having 3 carbon is known as propane. When we remove 1 hydrogen from propane we will get the group C3H7. इनके आगे ये दिस इज नॉट माइनस साइन, ओपन वैलेंसी कहा जाता है. इट इज नोन एज ए प्रोपाइल. एंड अल्केन हैविंग 4 कार्बन इज नोन एज ए ब्यूटेन. आफ्टर रिमूवल ऑफ 1 हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम ब्यूटेन यू विल गेट C4H9. आगे ओपन वैलेंसी है, नोन एज ए ब्यूटाइल. अब थोड़ा डिटेल से पढ़े. ओके. Yes, alkyl group having 1 carbon is methyl. After giving 180-degree rotation, इसको ऐसे भी लिखा जाता है. This is real method. This is not wrong. लेकिन ये हैबिट रखना. It is known as methyl. Now, in case of ethane, ethyl group कहाँ से मिलेगा? Ethane में से. When we remove 1 hydrogen from ethane, you will get ethyl. This in ethane. There are 2 carbon atoms. Yes, to prepare ethyl group, what is the condition? Only 1 hydrogen needs to be removed. There are 2 possibilities. You can remove 1 hydrogen from first carbon, and second possibility we can remove 1 hydrogen from second carbon. If we remove 1 hydrogen from second carbon, we will get the group CH3 single bond CH2 open valency. Okay, this is ethyl. If we remove 1 hydrogen from first carbon, open valency CH2 single bond CH3. This is also ethyl. You calculate the total number of carbon and hydrogen in this one. C2H5. It is ethyl. Now you see there are 2 possibilities of in case of ethyl group. The first one, this second one. But after giving 180-degree rotation, ये बन जाएगा, ये बन जाएगा. Both are similar. So alkyl group having 2 carbon is only 1. That is ethyl. C2 open valency C2H5. It is far better to write CH3 single bond CH2 open valency. ये important है. Now in case of propyl group can be prepared from propane. Okay. Propane means alkane having 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3. CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH3. What is the condition for the preparation gaining of propyl group? तो एक हाइड्रोजन रिमूव करना पड़ेगा. So there are 3 possibilities to remove one hydrogen from first carbon, second carbon and third carbon. एक साथ दो कार्बन पर से रिमूव नहीं कर सकते. Only one hydrogen remove करना. If we remove one hydrogen from third carbon, we will get CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 open valency. Second possibility, we can remove one hydrogen from second carbon. Our propyl group CH3 single bond, CH open valency single bond, CH3. And third possibility, we can remove one hydrogen from first carbon, open valency CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH3. Now you see first and last देखो both are same. After giving 180 degree rotation ये बन जाएगा, ये बन जाएगा. ये दो नंबर में कैलकुलेट नहीं होगा, सेम है तो किसी एक को कैंसिल कर दो, इसको कट कर दो, मीन्स. लेकिन ये अलग टाइप का है, मीन्स प्रोपाइल ग्रुप दो टाइप के हैं. ये CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड, CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड, CH2 ओपन वैलेंसी. सेकंड वन CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड, CH open valency and CH3. Yes, दोनों में both group possess 3 carbon and 7 hydrogen. That's why both are propyl group. ये ग्रुप में जिस कार्बन के वैलेंसी ओपन है, that carbon is primary carbon because this carbon is attached with one carbon. That's why this is primary carbon. So this propyl group is known as a primary propyl group. The carbon having open valency is secondary because this carbon is bonded with two other carbon atoms. That's why this carbon is secondary carbon, and that's why this group is known as a secondary propyl group. Primary propyl group sometimes is also referred as a normal propyl group, and secondary propyl group sometimes is known as a isopropyl group. In case of butane, C4H10 is known as a butane. When we remove one hydrogen from the butane, we will get butyl group C4H9. आगे एक open valency. This is butyl. तो butyl कितने टाइप के हैं? There are 4 types of butyls. CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2. ये open valency. ये open valency वाला कार्बन ये प्राइमरी है. That's why this one is primary butyl, otherwise normal butyl. CH3 single bond, CH open valency single bond, CH2 single bond, CH3. This is, yes, the carbon whose valency is open is secondary carbon. That's why this is secondary butyl. Otherwise it is also known as a isobutyl. Okay. In this one, CH3 single bond C, CH3 single bond CH3 open valency. In this group, the carbon having open valency is bonded with 3 carbon atoms. That's why this carbon is tertiary carbon. So this group is known as a tertiary butyl group. It is also known as a neobutyl groups. Last one, CH3 single bond CH single bond CH3 single bond CH2. This is isobutyl group. मैक्सिमम ये सभी को प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टर्सरी और ये आइसो बोला जाता है. आइसो पूछा तभी यही लिखना है. ये भी आइसो है, ये भी आइसो है, तो प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है? When there is one side chain, it is known as iso position. In this case of group, methyl group is on side chain. यहाँ open valency side chain में है. That's why both are known as isobutyl. One more thing. You see, alkyl group, this is alkyl group. This is alkyl group. This is alkyl group. This is alkyl group. Finally, you can say alkyl group is consist of only 2 types of element, carbon and hydrogen. One more thing, alkyl group always possess 2 types of bond, C single bond C and C single bond H. दूसरा कोई बॉन्ड नहीं होता है. ओके. और alkyl group always symbolized by कैपिटल आर, आर के आगे ओपन वैलेंसी इंडिकेट की होगी, आर के पीछे ओपन वैलेंसी इंडिकेट की जाती है। माइनस आर या आर माइनस कभी बोलना नहीं। ये ओपन वैलेंसी किसकी है? आर की। आर इज कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू एलिमेंट्स, कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन, तो ये कार्बन की ओपन वैलेंसी है। ओके, तो ये अपना alkyl group having only one carbon is methyl, alkyl group having two carbon is only one ethyl, alkyl group having three carbon is propyl. There are two types of propyl. First one open valency terminal carbon की होगी, second में open valency middle carbon की होगी, and alkyl group having four carbon, चार टाइप के है, प्राइमरी ब्यूटाइल, सेकेंडरी ब्यूटाइल, टर्शियरी ब्यूटाइल एंड आइसोब्यूटाइल। ओके फ्रेंड्स, यस, थैंक यू वेरी मच। नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे, थोड़ा आगे चलेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू।